Good morning, children of class 5. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Now today I am going to teach you from the literature book, second chapter. The name of the chapter is Gulliver in Lilliput. Okay. Written by Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift was whom? Was an Irish writer. He was also famous for his poetry and essay. Okay. This story is about a man. Whose name is Gulliver. Gulliver was a traveler. One day when he was traveling to South Sea Asia, which is situated in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, which is situated in the Pacific Ocean. And what happened? His ship crashes into sinks and rocks. Okay. After that, he swims safely and reached where? Reached land in Lilliput. Okay. He was very tired. He was very hungry also. Then he slept for several hours. After several hours, when he wake up, he saw that his legs, arms and long thick hair were tied up with strings. Whose leg, arms and long thick hair were tied? Gulliver. Okay, Gulliver. When he wake up, he saw that his leg, arm and his long hair, thick hair were tied up with strings. He can't move anywhere. Only he can see with his eyes. Okay. And after some times he saw that something has fallen on his left leg and comes forward to his chin. And what he see? He see that 6 inches tall man standing there. Okay. 6 inches tall man standing there, and 40 more little peoples were there who was there. Okay, and they make a lot of noise. When after that, when Gulliver shouted, he shouted loudly, and the people around him comes and jumping over there. Okay, and looking there. And what Gulliver want? Gulliver, because he was very thirsty, he was very hungry for to eat something. Then they gave what? They gave baskets of breads and meat to eat. Okay. They gave basket of breads and meats to eat, and they was very happy. But Gulliver was telling to untie the leg, arms, everything. But what happened? What the people were very happy. Why? Because Gulliver eaten their food. But what they told? They told, we will give you food, but we will not give any freedom to you. Okay, we will give you food, but we will not give any freedom to you. So this is the story. Now, what is the story? You understand? I think all of you understand what is the story about. This story is about a man whose name is Gulliver, who was a traveler. Okay. Now, what is the moral of the story? For to better understand, I have written here what is the moral of the story. If we are all committing nature, the least we can do is acknowledge the fact and be humble in the face of it. All of you understood? What is the moral? If we are all committing the nature, the least we can do is acknowledge the fact and be humble in the face of it. So this is the moral of the story. Whenever class 5 children, whenever you are trying to understand any literature section, okay, first try to understand the concept. First read the chapter carefully one by one, then understand the whole chapter, and one more thing is important. Okay, what? You have to know what is the story about, what is the moral of the story. Okay, if you understand the moral, what is the moral, then it will be very easy for you to understand the whole story. Because you are in class 5, the story is not very tough to understand. It is very easy. You can understand. Okay. Now I am giving you assignment. Now, question number 1. Who was the traveler? Who was the traveler? First question. And second question, you have to write what is the moral of the story? So I have given you two questions. Who was the traveler? First question. And second question is, what is the moral of the story Gulliver in Lilliput? So class 5 children, try to learn everything. Don't write only assignment. You have to learn also. Okay, if you will learn, then it will be very easy for you to revise the whole chapter from all the subjects. Okay, meet you in the next class with the next topic. Thank you and take care of yourself.